about the estimation. So now, what is the estimation? Suppose in your birthday party, if you are just planning that how many guests will come, so you will just think that like 20, 30, 50, 100, 200. So now just tell me that is it the exact number whenever you are planning that? Or suppose for any marriage function of your family member, okay. So in that, if your family is planning that how many people will come, or after the marriage, if you are just estimating that how many guests came in the marriage, so that can be 1,000, that can be 15,000, okay, or that can be 1,500, whatever. But that is the estimation. That is not the fixed number. So we are estimating for the larger numbers, like for the any very grand rehearsal, grand event. Okay, there are 1 lakh, 2 lakh people are there. So what we say, approximately there were 1 lakh people. Approximately there were 2 lakh people. So that is the estimation. That is not the fixed number. So how we can do the estimation and the approximation? Here we will see by the one example. But before that, let's understand the number line. So here on the number line we have, I am just starting from 0, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we can observe that there are total 0 to 10. Okay. Now just tell me that 1 is nearby to 1 is nearby to 0. Okay. 1 is nearby to 0. Then okay, in between you have to say 0 and 10. In between you have to say 0 and 10. 1 is nearby to 0 or 10. Then 2 again 0. 3 that is again 0. 4 it's again 0. 5 okay, we cannot say that 5 is nearby to 0 or 10 because that is between to 0 and 10. So that is the equidistance from 0 as well as from the 10. Just leave that. Now move towards the 6. So again for the 6 that is 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10. Okay. So here we observe that 1, 2, 3 and 4 that is nearby to 0 and 6, 7, 8, 9 that is 0 nearby to 10. Okay. Now let's understand that why we discuss this. Suppose I have a number that is 27. 27. And if I ask you that, please do the round off. Please do the round off to the 27. What is the round off? Whenever the number is given, so at the time you have to just convert in like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, for the tens. For the hundreds, I can say that is 100, 200, 300, 400 like that. But here, just tell me that for the tens plus, okay, if I just want to do the round off, how I will do? Number is 27, okay. So just find out that the next number from the 27, which tens will come? That is 30. That is 30 because 27, 28, 29 and 30. And previously, which number will come? That is 20 because this number 27, okay, that is actually in between the 20 and the 30. 20 and to 30. So now we have to identify that the 27 that is nearby to 30 or 20. Again, we will see this chart. So as we discussed, here we need to find that 7, the number 7 that is nearby to 10 or 0. Of course, okay, as we have discussed, that is nearby to 10. So here we will go for the 10. But here again, that's the 20 and here is 30. So how we will find? See, 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and the 30. Now, from this number, 27 is here. That is nearby to 30 or 20. Now just tell me. That is nearby to 30. Okay. So whenever I just try to round off 27, I will write 30. Okay, as the round off. One more number, let's take, that is 112. Okay, 112. And again, for 112, we have to round off for the 10 and for the 100. First of all, we will just try to round off for the 10. Okay, for 10, and then we will round off that for 100. Okay. So for 10 it means the tens place. Okay, that is 1. Okay, here 112. So for the tens place it means, for 10 it means that is for tens place. So for 12 we will try to do round off. 12 is nearby to 10 or 20. Of course that is 10. So I will write 110. Okay. At the place of 12 we will write 10. So that is 110, that is 110. Now the next number, that is for the same number we have to do round off for the 100 plus. 100 plus it means the 3 digits. Here are 3 digits, so we will do for 112. For 112, it means we have to just find out that the number 112 is nearby to 100 or 200. 100 or 200, because for the three places we know quite well that is 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay. So whenever we are rounding off for the 3 digits, for till the 100 one, so we will observe like 100, 200, 300. So now again just see that here is 112, that is nearby to 100 or 200. Of course that is nearby to 100. So for 112 we will write the 100. Okay, that is 100. Fine. Hope you understood this very well. The last number we are just going to take, okay, and we will do for the tens and 100 both. That can be 572. Okay, 572. Now, if it wants to round off for the tens, for 10 and as well as for 100. Okay. First of all, let's do for the 10. Which number is there? That is 72. 72. Now, 72, that is nearby to 80 or 70. Of course, that is nearby to 70. So, what we will write? That is 570. We'll just convert 72 to the 70. So, round off of 572 for the tens plus, that is 570. Now, for 100 plus, how we will do? We will follow the same process. Here is 572. Just find out that in which numbers the 572 comes in the between. So 572 here, and I can say that here that is 500 and here that is 600. Okay. In between 500 and 600, the number 572 will come. Now we have to find out that, okay, the 500 is nearby value or 600 is nearby value for 572. To just identify that variable, see here, which number is that? 72. 72. 72 is nearby to 100. 72 is nearby to 100 or 0. That is nearby to 100. It means by this number we write to try 100. Now 5 and 1, that is 600. Okay. By this way you can also do, or directly we can of course identify that here that is 572. So here, as we have discussed, there is 7. So that will be go for the 10. So we will increase what? So 572 will become 600. 600 whenever we do the approximation. So this is all about how we can do the estimation as well as the approximation. Now just pause the video and note it down properly. Now we will see how to do the mathematical operations with the help of the round off. Okay. So we have already discussed about the mathematical operations in the starting only, that there are total 4 different operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. Okay. Let's start with the addition. If I am doing the addition, and if I have to do by the round off, first of all, let's say 2 different numbers. Suppose that are 7, 2, 9 and 5, 3, 2. Okay. I have to just do the addition for both the numbers, but before that, I will try to round off them. So how we will do? Here is 729 and here is 532. So first of all, we have to just select that. Okay, for which place we are just going to do the rounding off. Here is 1 stands in 100 and here is 1 stands in 100. So till 100 place we have the number. So we will try to do round off till 100 place. How we will do? Here is 729. So 729, that is nearby to 700 or 800. Of course, that is nearby to 700. So I will write 700 at the place of 729. Now, in the next number there is 532 again. That is nearby to 500 or 600. That is nearby to 500. So we will write 500 over there. And now simply we will try to just add that. That will be 0 0 as it is 0 plus 0 0 plus 0. 7 plus 5, that is 12. That is 12. Fine. Now the next one. 17 and 50, no, not the 55, but 65. Okay. So here we have tens place. So if you will do round off for the 17, that will be 10 or 20. Of course, that is 10. Okay, sorry, 20, because 17 is the nearby to 20. Now 65. This is actually we didn't discuss about the 5. So whenever you find out the 5, okay, actually the problem is 5 is not the nearby to 0 as well as not the nearby to 10, because that is equidistance from 0 as well as 10. So whenever you find the 5, we will go for the upper one. So that is 10, okay, that is 10. Here is 65. So actually 65 comes in between 60 and 70. 60 and 70. So we will select the 71, okay, the upper one, okay, not the lower one. So here we will write that is 70. That is 70. Now simply what we have to do, we will just add that here. 0 plus 0, that is 0, and 7 plus 2, that is 9. Okay, I hope you understood this very well. Again, pause the video and note it down. Now we are just going to discuss about the subtraction, multiplication, and the division. Okay, the same process will follow as we did in the addition one. Here, let's select the two numbers that are 25 and 13. Okay, so we have to subtract 25 minus 30. How will we do? First of all, we will try to convert. Okay, we will try to convert. We will do the rounding off. So for 25 is nearby to 20 or 30? No one. Okay, actually that is the equidistance between 25. Okay, that is 20 to 30. So here, what we will do? Here is 5. It means we will select the upper one, that is 30. So I will just write 30 over there. Now the 30, that is nearby to 10 or 20. Of course, that is nearby to 10. So I am just going to write down by 10. Okay. Here we did the rounding off for the tens place, because there is 1 and tens, two places only are there. So that's why we are just going to do rounding off for tens place. Now the next step what we will do, 30 minus 10. That's really very simple now. That is 20. That is 20. Okay. So let's select one more number. Like suppose I have 392 minus 120. Okay. Now, just first of all, just find out how many places are there. 3 places. 1 tens and 100. 1 tens and 100. So we will do the rounding off till the 100 place. How we will do? 392. That is nearby to 300 or 400. Of course, that is nearby to 400. So we will write 400 over there. Now there is 120. That is actually nearby to 100. So we will write 100 over there. Now just do the subtraction for that. 400 minus 100. Okay. So here 0 0 0 0 minus 0 0. 4 minus 1, that is 3. That is 3. So here our answer, that is 300, by the following the process of rounding off. Now the next one that is the multiplication. Okay. Here again we will follow the same process. First of all, let's select for the like tens places only. So 12 multiplied by 78. 12 multiplied by 78. But before we start, we will try to convert by the rounding of 12. That is nearby to 10 or 20. Of course, that is nearby to 10. And 78, that is nearby to 80. Okay, that is nearby to 80. Now, 8 ones are 8. So, that is 8 and 2 zeros. It's really very easy to do the multiplication by the process of rounding off. But generally, we don't follow this process in regular life. Okay, whenever it's given like 12 multiplied by 78, so we have to do the same process only, 12 multiplied by 78. But in some cases only, we will follow this process. Okay, so just remember that. The next one, let's take the 3-digit number. So 921 multiplied by 37. Okay, clear. So here again we will follow the rounding off process. How we will do? 921. Okay, 921. So we have to just identify that 921 comes in between what? That is actually 900 and the 1000. 900 and 1000. Now just identify that 921, that is nearby to 900 or 1000. That is nearby to 900. So I am just going to write down 900 over there. And for 37, that is nearby to 30 or 40? 40. Fine. So here I have got 40. And now just do the multiplication. How we will do? There are the 0, 0, 0. So not introduce the further process. Simply I can do 9 fours, that is 36. So write down 36. And how many zeros are there? Total zeros. 1, 2 and 3. Put the 3 zeros. It's really a simple process to do the multiplication. Okay, whenever there is actually tens and hundreds places. Division. Again same process. Let's select the two different numbers like the 37, which is divided by 12. Okay, 37 divided by 12. So first of all, we will try to convert that into the rounding off process. By the rounding off process, that is 37. That is actually nearby to 40. So I wrote 40 over there, and there is 12. That is nearby to 10 or 20. 10. Okay. Now just reduce the terms. 0, 0 cancel. 4 by 1. That is actually 4 only. So our answer is 4. Fine. Hope you understand properly. Again, pause the video and note it down. Now let's start exercise 1.3, the question number 1. In the question number 1, we have to do the two different mathematical operations, addition and subtraction, with the help of rounding off. Okay, first of all, we will follow the process of the rounding off, and then we will do addition or the subtraction, whatever they given in the question. Here is the first one, that is for the addition, that is 730 plus 998. So first of all, let's try to do rounding off. Okay, what is given? That is 730 and 998. Okay, so for which place we will do the rounding off? Here ones, tens and 100. Okay, so we will do the rounding off for 100 place. So it will be 730. That is nearby to 700 or 800? Nearby 700. Okay, 700. Now here is 998. 998. Okay, just tell me the previous the 100 number for 998. That is 900. That is 900. And the next one, that is 1000. That is 1000. So 998, that is nearby to what? 900 or 1000? 1000. So we will write 1000 over there. Okay. Now it converted from 3 digit to 4 digit, but we cannot do anything because 998, that is actually nearby to 1000. So we have to write 1000 over there. Now simply we will do the addition process. So that will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7 plus 0, that is 7, and 1 as it is. This is our final answer. Okay. Now the next, in that we have to do subtraction. So first of all, as usual, we will follow the process of rounding off. Here are again the 100 plus is given, so we will do the rounding off till the 100 plus. Here 796, which is nearby to 700 or 800, that is nearby to 800, and 314, that is nearby to 300 or 400, nearby to 300. So we will write 300 over there as it is. Now simply we will follow the addition process again. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0. Here is again 0. 8 and 3, 11. Okay, so our answer is 1100 or 1100. Okay, now still more 2 questions are there, but first of all just pause the video and note it down. Now question number 3, that is 12,904 plus 2,888. So here we have the numbers till the 1000 place and the 10,000 place. So we will just do the rounding off till the 1000 place, till the 1000 place. So first of all, let's write the numbers. That is 12,904 and another one, that is 2,888. Okay. So first of all, we will do the rounding off till the 1000 place. So which number is there? 12,904. 12,904. Now just identify there the number 12,904, that is nearby to 12,000 or 13,000. Okay, because we are doing the rounding off till 1000 place. So here is 12,904, which is actually the nearby to 13,000. So at the place of 12,904, we will write 13,000. Now, the next is 2,888. So that is nearby to 2,000 or 3,000? That is nearby to 3,000. Nearby to 3,000. Now we can do the addition for this both the number. That will be 0 plus 0 is 0. Again here is 0, 0, 3 and 3, that is 6, and 1 as it is. So 16,000, that is our final answer. Now the fourth one, again we will first of all try to do the rounding off till the 1000 place. Here is 28,292 and 21,496. So first of all, we will follow the same process for the rounding off. We will do till the 1000 place. So here is 28,292. Now again, just think that 28,292, that is nearby to 28,000 or 29,000. That is nearby to 28,000. 28,000, because let's see, 28,100, 28,200, 28,300. So in between there is 28,200 is there. That is actually nearby to 28,000. Okay. Now 21,496. So again just recall the 21,000, 21,100, 21,200, 21,300 and 21,400. Okay, so 4 is there. Actually 4 is nearby to the previous one. So we will select the 21,000 as it is. So here we will write 21,000. Okay. Now which process we have to follow? That is the subtraction process. That is the subtraction process. So if I just do the subtraction here, that is actually not possible. Okay. Sorry. So that will be 28,000 minus 21,000. We can do that. How we will do? 28,000 minus 21,000. That will be 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0, 0. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, that is 7. That is 7. And 2 minus 2, that is 0. So no need to write the 0. Now see here, that is 7,000. 7,000. That is our final answer for this questions. So here we have completed the first question. Again, pause the video and note it down. So as we have completed the question number 1 by the rounding off process, again you have to do one thing, that you have to do the whole question number 1, there are sub 4 questions, okay, sub 4 questions are there, so you have to complete that by the normal process, regular process as we do, okay. The A1 which I am doing, then more 3 is there, you have to do by the normal process. So by the normal process, if I just want to do the addition, how we will do? 0 plus 8 is 8, 3 plus 9, that is 12, 2 is here, 1 is here, okay, 7 and 1, that is 8, 8 and 9, that is 17. Fine. So here we have 1, 7, 2, 8. Okay, that is the final answer. You have to follow the same process for next 3 numbers, and in that you have to follow the regular process for the addition and subtraction, which we are doing regularly, not by the rounding off. Okay, I have completed whole question by the rounding off, but now you have to do the 4 questions again by the normal process. Just pause the video and note it down.